Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete secret chats from Messenger. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on Messenger on the internet, on the browser version, and I'll be explaining it here. However, the same principle applies for your mobile version as well, so you can just do it anywhere. But yeah, what secret messages or secret chats are, they are basically a chat which is separate to a group chat you're having, or that is end-to-end encrypted as well, and you can very easily write there and it is a completely separate chat from your original one. But what you can do to delete it is you can delete it as you would any other chat. It does appear as a separate chat in your chat log, in your chat menu, so you can very easily delete it with the same method. Now, as you can see on the PC, if I hover over this chat that I have here and click the three dots, I have the option to delete the chat. I won't be doing that, but you can click that and then you'll need to confirm that you want to delete it, and once you do, your entire secret chat will be gone. Now on the mobile, all you have to do is go to your chat log and tap and hold the chat that you want to delete. In this case, it'll be the secret chat, and you'll have the option of deleting the chat there. You'll see a delete prompt with a trash can icon. You just tap there, again confirm it, and once you're done with that, you can very easily delete it just like that. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.